three important areas to improve in your LinkedIn profile. First, that is profile picture. So whenever any viewers comes to your profile, they see your profile picture. That adds more connect, trust to your profile. I hope you have a profile picture in your LinkedIn. If not, please do add it, and it should be a professional quality profile picture because LinkedIn is a professional networking system. And second is the headlines. So in the headline sections, we can add more searchable, queryable keywords related to our job or roles responsibilities. We can add some more unique, attractive keywords that can attract more to our viewers' network. Third, and the most important part that we generally ignore, that is the about section. In the about section, we should share our roles and responsibilities, achievements, interests in details. At last, we should also share the call to action. Call to action that the viewers will do if they like our profile. For example, connecting with you, or maybe if you have some other offerings, we can also share in the call to action. Thank you.